Now let's see Fibonacci series using loops. So, what was Fibonacci series? As I have previously discussed, that is the every term is obtained by adding previous two terms. So now we will write, or we will try to create a function using loops, the Fibonacci series. So let's go with the code. Int fib, int n. We already have discussed this. I will initialize the value of t0 to 0 and t1 to 1. So what I did here is, in the previous lecture I have explained that 1, 2, 3, 5, 8 and 13. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So as I have explained in the previous video that the every term is obtained by adding previous two terms. So here let's take this first term as t0 and the second term as t1. So we just have initialized t0 to 0 and t1 to 1, and we will create another variable and store that variable of addition in s. Now if n is less than equal to 1, we will simply return n. We already have seen in the previous lecture, we have returned n like this, return n. Now in this I simply return n. So the logic is same till now. Now let's create a for loop. For loop int I, let's initialize I also over here. Declare now I is equal to 2. Why we return 2? Because I is equal to 0 and 1 is already created, so I have to stop at 7 term. So to start I have to create from 2. I want the number till 7, so I have written 2, that this loop will start from 2, not from 0, because I have already created here. So I will start it from 2. So I is equal to 2, I less than equal to n, up to I plus plus, up to n increment of I plus plus. Now let's create. Now what I said, that s will store the addition of t0 and t1. So s is storing the addition of t0 and t1, and after every addition the t0 will change its initial value to the final value, that this t0 will go to this t0 and this t1 will go here, and up to so on. So t0 is equal to t1 and t1 is equal to s. So do we get the logic over here? What happened over here is that the t0, which was the initial value, has just shifted one value above, and t1 has also shifted one value above, and after that the addition is done. And since we have to obtain the 7th term, so this will go on increasing like this also, this only, and t1 is stored in s, this s. So we can see the logic, like, this is how I have learned that t0, t1, t1, s. So t1, t1 gone, t0, s. So this is how, it's a simple logic. I will explain it later. Just don't try to figure it out. Overall, the main conclusion is that t0 is assigned to s. t0 is assigned to s. I mean t1. From here in, t1 is assigned to s. Now we will return s. Now let's see the time complexity of this. What would be the time complexity of this? This gives 1, this gives 1, this, since it starts from 2, it will give n. it was like n plus 1, but since it start from 2, so it will just give an n. So this is n minus 1, n minus 1, n minus 1. So the time complexity is order of n. So this is how we have created a function using loop of Fibonacci series.